Hi, if you're viewing this video, that means you're a student in the Introduction to Microsoft Outlook course. It's a short 5-week class. It's going to cover the basics of using Microsoft Outlook and hopefully make you a more powerful user. You're going to start by clicking either the welcome button below this video or the module link in your navigation pane there on your left side. So once you work through that module, complete those activities by Friday at noon. Then the week 1 module will open for you and we hit the ground running. We start sending emails this week. So it's very important that you actually have your textbook in hand as well as have Office 365 or Outlook 2019 installed on your machine. We are not using webmail for this class, which is probably what most of you use currently to get your student email. You're going to hook your student email up to Outlook, and that will be your primary source for this class. But you need the full version of the software on your machine. So there's instructions on that in the module, so you shouldn't have any problems. You'll also have to download some data files. This class does have a lot of intricacies on opening and closing different kinds of data files, but that'll all be given to you in the modules. So just a reminder, welcome module activities are due by Friday at noon, and your normal week 1 assignments are due by Monday, October 5th at 5 a.m. If you have any questions, send me a message through Canvas email. That's the best way to reach me. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So good luck, and I look forward to having you in class.